Big Poppa here. Hey, it's cold and raining outside, but I'm still gonna cook. I'm going to use the new Jallelujah Lime rub, which is a great Jallelujah salt, different ingredients, but lime. We're gonna be making a shrimp with a jalapeno cream sauce. A little garlic in there, a little Parmesan, cilantro, onion, tomato, and jalapeno. So I'm gonna start by turning on the stove. I'm gonna put a little olive oil in here. Toss a pat of jalapenos. We're just going to get this a little translucent. We're not going to add any salt yet because I'm going to put the shrimp in there, and I'll put the Big Poppa's Jallelujah Lime in there. I'm going to take a little cumin and hit it. I'm going to hit some Jallelujah Lime on the shrimp. That's doing. I'm going to fold in some garlic. You never have too much garlic. We get them pretty much cooked, and then we're going to start adding a few more things. It's looking good. Really good. Now I'm going to put the rest of the tomatoes in there. Let them brown up just a little bit more. And then I'll be pouring the Mexican crema and the heavy cream. Stir it around a little bit, taste it, and then serve it over some fettuccine. Oh, this is looking good. Comes a little lime juice here, just a little. It doesn't really like cream that much. Don't tell anybody. Oh baby, I'm happy. We'll see you at the plating. It's thickening up just beautifully. So right at the end, I'm gonna sprinkle cilantro. Gosh, why not, okay? Stir it in there.